Our saga tells the adventure of 104 years. It is about a heritage which has been handed down from father to son and carried to the future. We were born in a small village. We have produced our products with patience, elbow grease, diligence, and meticulous care. We have never compromised on the priceless value of our craftsmanship. Nor have we ceased molding our hard-earned experience with innovative technology that shapes the future. That's the reason behind our worldwide exports to 60 countries on 6 continents. And that's why we are the most sought-after brand in the world. And therefore, the aesthetic wrought by the legendary touch of skilled hands on our single-barrel shotguns can only be matched by the perfection of the highest technology in our rifles. And in the near future, we will be writing new sagas and create new legends in the defense industry. Today, as it has been for over a century, Huglu has the leading role of every hunt and shooting story to be written by you. Today, tomorrow, and forever.